Epoxy resin ratios. Do they do your head into from time to time? You're not alone. Let me try and help.
For simplicity's sakes, let's talk about the three most common ratios. 1:1, which we absolutely love because it's so easy to work out. 2:1 and 3:1. Let's pretend we have a project that requires 400 mils total. 1:1 being the easiest to work out, we'll do that one first. It's as simple as dividing our total of 400 mils by 2. Let's skip ahead to our 3:1 ratio. To calculate, we need to realise that we're dividing our total by 4, 3 plus 1. For our illustration, that's easy maths. We need 300 mils of one part to 100 mils of the other. Okay, so let's use the same principle for the 2:1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, right? 400 divided by 3 is 133.3333. You get the gist. I'd round this down to 130 mils. Then all we need to do is work out 130 times 2. In the end, we're not that far off our 400 mils required. With this quantity of resin, 10 mils isn't going to make a massive difference. If you use a measuring cup that allows you to measure your epoxy out with accuracy to 10 mil increments, it'll make your life so much easier. Now I want your help. If anyone knows of a tutorial on using these markings, please share. Thank you.